in Google Docs. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. All you need to do is just open your browser first. And once you're in the browser, just go to docs.google.com. And after you're here, in order to add rows, you need to have a table first to add rows on. So let's focus on getting a table. Just look at the top left corner where you can see options like File, Edit, View, and Insert. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you have options like Image, Table, Drawing, Chart, Horizontal Line, Emojis, and many more. Since you're trying to get a table, just go ahead and tap on Table. And now you can just choose to build blocks. If you want a table like this, it's completely your choice. So I'm choosing this one. So let's say I want to add rows. All you need to do is just tap on this table and right click. And now you have options like Paste, Paste without formatting, Insert title row, Insert row above, and Insert row below. If you want to add a row above the table, you can do this. But if you want it below, you can do that. As you can see, I'm adding rows. So in this way, you can successfully add rows on Google Docs. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.